If your Wise account has been restricted, you may need to appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting recovery, use the Assurance.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Review Wise policies. Familiarize yourself with Wise's terms of service and policies regarding account restrictions. Understanding the reasons for restrictions can help you frame your appeal more effectively. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Wise's customer support through their official website or app. Use the contact form or chat feature to explain your situation clearly and concisely. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Provide all necessary details in your appeal, including your account information, a description of the issue, and any evidence you have gathered. Be polite and professional in your communication. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of all communications for reference. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction with Wise. Good luck!